Hello, I am James Clare Lewis, the Guy and Dragon, and I'm going to pretend to tell you a story about a frog and a pot of water. Now, the way they usually tell this story is you have a pot of water on the stove that's getting warm, and you drop a frog into it, and he says, this is water's pretty hot. I don't like this. And he hops out and gets away. Then you take another pot of water at room temperature. You put the frog in it, and he's swimming around. He's comfy. You turn on the heat, and the frog doesn't notice that the water is getting hotter and hotter, and he gets cooked. But then that's not the story that I was going to tell you. You see, in this story, you take a pot of water at 73 degrees, a comfy room temperature. You drop a handful of ice into this water, and you turn on the heat. Well, it's an interesting thing that happens. The water stays at its comfy 73 degrees until the last ice cube melts. Now, just before that last ice cube melts, the water stays about the same time, but it gets a lot of turbulence, currents develop, things start moving faster and faster. And then the last ice cube melts, and when that happens, the water gets hot really, really fast. Okay, but that's not the story I was going to tell you about exactly. You see, right now on this planet, all of the glaciers on this are gone, pretty much. There's a couple left. The Greenland ice sheet's melting away. The poles are melting away. And yeah, there is the same temperature that we've been experiencing, but the turbulence is kicking in. We keep getting hurricanes and all kinds of inclement weather, crazy stuff happening. One thing right after the next, and they're bigger and bigger. And guess what happens when all the ice cubes finally melt?